If you are paying monthly for a VPS just to run automation, agents, or tools like OpenClaw, you might be overpaying. Today I'm comparing two powerful mini desktops as local AI servers, the 2024 Mac Mini with M4 and the Beelink SER6 Pro and SER7 with Ryzen 7. We will focus on what actually matters for a home or small business setup: stability, power usage, upgrades, safety, and total cost. And I will also explain when a VPS is still the better choice. Think of OpenClaw as an always-on control layer for automation and AI workflows. You want a machine that can stay online, run reliably, and remain secure. The goal is not maximum gaming performance. The goal is dependable 24/7 service with predictable cost and safe network exposure. The Mac Mini M4 is built for efficiency. Apple lists extremely low idle power and relatively low max power on one tested configuration, which matters if you want a server that runs all day. It is also quiet, compact, and macOS is very stable for long-running services. For security and reliability, macOS tends to have fewer driver surprises, and the Apple ecosystem is consistent. If your goal is set it and forget it, the Mac Mini is a strong choice. The trade-offs are upgrade flexibility and cost. Mac Mini memory is unified, and you generally want to decide your configuration up front. Storage planning also matters because local AI workflows generate logs, caches, and downloads. So you want to size storage correctly from day one. Apple's official tech specs vary by configuration, so verify the model you are buying. Mac Mini summary, on screen. Best for long uptime, low power, simple maintenance, stable local automation. Beelink Mini PCs are popular because you get strong performance with upgrade flexibility. For example, SER6 Pro has been reviewed with practical port layouts like 2.5 GBE and dual HDMI, which is great for a home lab. SER7 models are commonly sold with Ryzen 7 7840HS, Radeon 780ME graphics, and DDR5 plus NVMe expandability. For OpenClaw plus other AI tools, being able to add RAM or a larger SSD later is a real advantage. It extends the lifespan of your server and can reduce downtime when you need more capacity. The trade-offs are that Windows machines may need more maintenance, especially updates and drivers. Cooling is active, so under heavy load you may hear fan noise. And mini PCs vary by batch and configuration, so you should buy from a listing with clear specs and return policy. A local server wins when you care about privacy, predictable costs, and low latency to your own devices. You avoid monthly bills, and you keep more control over data, logs, and credentials. A VPS wins when you need public uptime, simple global access, or you do not want to manage hardware. If your workflow requires constant public availability, or you need to run services for other users, VPS can be the right tool. Here is the big security reality. Once you open ports, the internet will scan you. So whether it is VPS or local, you must harden access. For local hosting, I strongly recommend you do not expose admin dashboards directly. Use a VPN or a secure tunnel, enforce strong authentication, and keep keys rotated. If you do just these basics, your risk drops dramatically. Your goal is simple: reduce the number of ways someone can reach the machine, and reduce what they can do if they get in. Choose Mac Mini M4 if you want the most stable, low-power, quiet setup that you basically never think about. Choose Beelink SER6 or SER7 if you want upgrade flexibility, more ports, and strong value for money. And if you need public uptime for users, consider a VPS or hybrid setup. I will put US and UK links for both options in the description. If you want, I can also share a simple starter stack for self-hosting OpenClaw and AI tools with a safe remote access setup. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases.